Hello, my name is John. I am from New York City, which is a big city in the United States. I want to tell you a little bit about myself today. Firstly, I am 25 years old. I have a family with my parents, a brother, and a sister. We all live in a small apartment in the city. My brother is studying engineering, and my sister is in high school. We have a pet dog named Max who is very friendly and playful. I have a few hobbies that I enjoy. I like playing soccer with my friends on weekends. Soccer is a popular sport in my country, and I have been playing it since I was a child. I also like watching movies in my free time. Action movies are my favorite because they are exciting and full of adventure. During the weekdays, I work as a graphic designer at a small company. I create designs for websites and advertisements. It's a creative job, and I really enjoy being able to use my artistic skills. In terms of education, I graduated from university with a degree in graphic design. I studied for 4 years and learned a lot about art and design principles. It was a challenging but rewarding experience. One of my dreams is to travel the world. I want to visit different countries and experience their cultures. I think traveling is a great way to learn about the world and meet new people. In conclusion, that's a little bit about me. I'm John, a graphic designer from New York City who loves soccer, movies, and dreams of traveling the world. Thank you for listening to my introduction.